And here's how you can attach using the Velcro. So if you start off with the logo faced down, feed it through. Till the tip just sticks through there. And exactly the same procedure on the back of the base unit. Logo's facing down, feed through. And then place on your frame. If you've got any excess that sticks up from the Velcro, you can just cut that off with some scissors. And then just put your top unit, storage unit of the FoodCell, which should clip straight into the base. And that's it, nice and secure. Ready to load your gels. And exactly the same procedure as you do for the bolt attachments, these 3 60ml gels. So you'll often see it quoted that you can fit 5-6 gels into a food carrier, but that's normally for the 30ml gels. So I'd ask you to go out, try similar products on the market and try and put 60ml gels in and see how easy that is. So we're not spending any time trying to get these perfect, we're just putting them straight into the product. And that's it, simple, ready to go.